Welcome back, guys. Today in this tutorial I will show you guys how to use Designhill Studio and create stunning graphic designs and social media posts or many other content design using Designhill Studio. If you are new to Designhill, you guys can see in here they have a lot of different tools available for graphic designers and especially for non-designers who can easily use their tools to create stunning designs very easily. Most of them are drag and drop and edit tools, so you can easily create content using their tools. As you guys can see in here, there are many tools available for you guys to work with. You can create t-shirt mockups, logo design, illustrations, web application, and UI mockups, and many more. I have already done a logo design tutorial using Designhill logo designing tool. You guys can check it out in here. Okay, today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys the studio, Designhill Studio. To access the studio, you can just go to designhill.com/studio, which will go to the studio page in here. This is a very new tool available. As you guys can see, this is still in beta version, and in below you can see the designs done using this tool. To access the tool, you can just click on here, try for free. Before that, you need to log in, so I'm just going to log in using my credentials. You guys can create a free account in here. Once you sign up, you will go into the dashboard, and in here, first time when you log in, you won't see anything because your dashboard will be empty. Now to go to the design tool, you can go to the studio in here and just click on the dashboard below, which will bring you to this page. And in here on top, you can choose the design you want to create. As you can see, they have many templates for you to create, from Instagram posts, text template, Facebook templates, book covers, newsletters, business cards, YouTube thumbnail. Not only this, you can browse in here. You can see even more templates available: WhatsApp stories, yearbooks, calendars, coupons, gift content. Many content you can access from here. All of them comes with their templates. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of examples how to use the tool. All of them is going to be similar. Once you know how to use the tool, all of these are going to be similar. Example, I'm going to show you guys how to create an Instagram post. So let's go back to the first page in here. And I'm going to choose Instagram post in here. Just click on the Instagram post template, which will open up the Design Studio tool. And you can see, let's start from the top. We have the untitled document. So let's make a title in here. I'm just going to type text. All right, so next you can see the save and download buttons. We cannot save because the document is empty. It's a cloud document, so you don't have to save. It will be automatically saved anyway. So for now, I'm just going to ignore these two. And if you go in here, this is the most important part. Now we are in the templates. We are clicked on the templates portion, and you can see a lot of templates available in here. There are thousands of templates in here for Instagram posts. Whatever the post type is going to be, doesn't matter. You can choose the layouts, any layout from here. And for this example, let's say we are going to post a burger, about something about burger, and I'm just going to select this template in here. This template alone looks really cool, I mean, for an Instagram post. And you can just double click on the text and you can edit the text the way you want. So I'm just going to say a DAC special burger or something like that. All right, so let's type in here DAC and maybe a special offer burger, and let's put some offer and do more this one. All right. Okay, so I'm just going to leave the text as it is for now. All right, so let's say you want to change the text. So you can just select the text in here, and you can see whenever you are making a selection on top, this top bar is changing like any other available designing tool such as Photoshop or Illustrator. So once you select the tool, let's say on top, if you want to make any text modification, you can make those modifications in here. You can make it bold, italics, or underline. You can align differently, all those things. And also in here, you can see you can change the text or font style. So I'm going to click on it, which will open up the fonts, available fonts, and in here you can filter out the fonts as well. So let's choose some other text there, maybe to go with our design, or maybe let's go to a different set of categories, maybe vintage. And in the vintage set, maybe I will choose one of these. Okay, this look cool. So all you need to do is select the text and select the type you want, which will automatically update your font. Okay, so let's say you like this artwork, you like this template, but you don't like this design in here. You want to have maybe or photograph instead of this graphic design. You can easily go in here and find a different templates, or the easier way, we are going to modify this template. So what I'm going to do in here is, from templates, I'm going to go to the photos, and once you go to the photos, you can see all the available photos. There are thousands of photos available in here, and let's say we want to have a burger picture, so just search burger, and you can see all the burger pictures are coming down below. There are so many pictures, you can just keep scrolling and scrolling. You can see a lot of pictures based on your search. I have searched a couple of searches. Surprisingly, every search I find there are so many pictures. It's really cool. And you can keep going. Also, I already saw a picture on top, so I think I'm going to use that picture in here for this design. It's this one in here. All right, so once you click on the picture, it will automatically place on your artboard. Then you can delete your current design. Just select and delete in your keyboard. And this one, I'm just going to adjust the size. You can go in here, adjust manually, or I'm just going to use the points in here, transformation points, and adjust the size like this. All right, cool. Okay, so now our burger picture is ready. It's going with our artboard. Now what I want to do is I want to bring this picture behind the text. Like any other graphic designing tools in here also, you can bring up and down by using Control plus open parentheses to bring down, or Control plus close parentheses to bring up. In Mac, you can use Command open parentheses to bring down, close parentheses to bring up. So I'm going to do the same thing in here as well. I'm going to select the text layer in here, and I'm going to press Control plus close parentheses to bring up. All right, cool. I'm just going to bring down this text a bit below for now. Okay, so once you select the picture in here, you can see there are more tools available now. So let's go to the filter, and you can select this different type of filter in here, which will affect your artwork with these filters. So if you like these filters, you can use them. For this artwork, I don't see any of them look nice. Maybe the last one in here look a bit cool. Yeah, so I'm just going to use that filter, and we can go back in here. So you can search any image, any type of image you want. So you also can adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturations for picture in here as well. But I'm going to leave this picture as it is because it's look nice in here. And you can also use these tools to crop it or flip the image using these tools in here. I think it's not necessary for this design. All right, so let's move on to the next category, which is the elements in here, which are basically shapes. You can see some vector shapes in here. All of them are in vector format. You can just place them in here and make modifications. And keep in mind, guys, so this is still in beta version. So these shapes, in future, there will be many more thousands of shapes in here. For now, we can use these shapes, and I'm just going to select this one in here. Just select this one, which will apply, which will create a new shape on top of our design. And same as the text, you can select the shape and you can, once you select the shape, you can see all the available option for modification on the top bar, and you can select the color and change the color for this vector shape as well. So I'm going to select to black color, and maybe let's move these text in here. I didn't thought about this design, guys. I'm just randomly going in here. You guys can do a better job. I just want to show you guys this tool, and maybe let's apply this and shape also. Let's add this into our artwork. I don't know where I'm going with this. Maybe I'm just going to point this one in here. Yeah, just going to make it smaller and maybe just place it in here. Yeah, like this is fine. And I just want to show you guys, these vector shapes can be changed. The colors can be changed, and the text also, we can change the colors. And maybe apply a darker tone which doesn't go with our design, and we can go back again to the vector elements. This look fine, the yellow color, and yeah, this is all right. So what I was saying is we can go back to the vector elements. I'm going to choose this rectangle, and I'm just going to reshape the rectangle, and using the control plus open parentheses, bring it below, and we can change the color to maybe a darker tone. Black should, yeah, maybe let's change the font to black color. Yes. Okay, cool. So I'm going to do the same for this text in here as well. Maybe just change the font space, and I'm going to select the font in here. Okay, this look cool. And I'm going to draw a rectangle again and reshape it to the same size as the bottom one. And for this, I'm going to apply a different color, bring it behind, and let's make these fonts same size as the rectangle. You can see when you adjust the font, rectangle size, the font is adjusting accordingly. And let's bring it to the center, and let's change this color to the yellow color, same as below. All right, cool. So yeah, so this look fine, and maybe we bring this one in here, and let's change it to yellow color or something, or maybe white color. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this look fine. All right, guys, so this is how you can use these tools to create cool designs very fast. Just one click, basically, to create these kind of tools. You don't need to do any type of modifications. And let's go into the next section. In here, you can see the icons. So these icons, there are thousands of icons in here. You can search icon on top, same as the pictures, or you can just bring in any type of icon you want. So I'm just going to randomly choose an icon in here, and I'm just going to place it into the artboard. So you just click on the icon, maybe this one, which will insert on top of the artboard, and we can change the size, and we can bring it down if you want. And you can see for this artboard there are 3 colors, and all 3 colors you can change on the top in here. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this one as it is. So once you satisfied with your design, you can go in here and save the design. You can give a name for the artwork in here. So I'm just going to type name burger advertisement, and to save the artwork, you just click in this button, which will save the artboard in your dashboard. And if you want to download this artboard, you go in here, and you will get a couple of options for download. There is file type, transparent background, and compressed file. So for the transparent background part, if it's a PNG file, you can save as a transparent background. In our design, there is no transparency, so I'm just going to leave this one. You can also choose to download a compressed lower quality version of your file in here as well. And you can adjust the size of the artwork in here. You can choose the size by multiplying the resolution 2x or 3x. And in the file type, you can select you want JPG or PNG or PDF file. For the first sample, I'm going to select JPG and download. Once you select download, you will see there's a message popping up. It will take some processing time and it's downloaded already. So you can go into your download folder and open the file, and you can use this file in your preferred place. Okay, so for the next example, let's download a PDF and see. Let's go in here, and this time I'm going to select PDF and download. Again, you will see a processing and it's downloaded, and you can go in here and open, and you can see it's opening as a PDF, and also the vector elements in the artwork came as vector elements, so you don't have to worry about the resolution as well. Alright, for the next example, I'm going to show you guys a very fast poster design. And for this one, I'm going to choose the poster template from here. Just select the template, which will open up the same way as the previous one. In here also, you will see the same tools available for this design as well. This time, instead of using the templates, as you can see, we already have many templates, very beautiful templates available in here for us to use in our poster design. But I'm going to design something on my own instead of using the ready-made templates. So first, I'm going to select the text in here. When you select the text, you can see there are many text styles available, which you can choose from this list, which look very nice. For example, this Black Friday bargain in here, when you click on it, it will place the text template into the artboard, same as other objects. And maybe let's choose something else. So I'm going to choose this summer sale text. So I'm just going to click on this one in here. Okay. And for this design, I'm going to upload an image instead of using an available image. I'm just going to select upload in here, and I will choose this image, and let's open, wait for it to upload to the server, and it's already uploaded, and just select the image, which will place the image in our artboard. And I'm going to place nicely like this in here. This look fine, and I'm just going to bring down the text, and maybe let's adjust the size of the text a bit smaller. Looks fine, and I'm going to bring it to the front, control open parentheses, and control close parentheses. And now again, I'm going to the elements and place a rectangle in here. Adjust the rectangle to the bottom portion like this, and I'm going to bring it behind, control plus open parentheses. If you are using Mac, you should use control plus. Before that, I'm going to change it to yellow color, similar to the one on top, and control plus open parentheses, which will bring it behind. And we can change the text color as well, font color. Just select the font color. Before that, you need to ungroup. When it's grouped, you can't change the color. Ungroup and select the font, and go in here, and you can change the color using this color wheel. I'm going to select similar color to the pink in the photograph, and for this one, I'm going to select a different color, maybe a green tone, maybe a darker tone. Yeah, this one is fine. All right, so this look fine. And I'm again going to the text in here, and this time we can select maybe this 35%. So I'm just going to go down and see it's okay. I'm going to select the 35%, which will place this text. Again, select this one and go to the ungroup. And let's place this one in here. Go to the ungroup and ungroup first. This one we don't need. Just delete it, and this one just bring it smaller. Okay, so I'm going to place this one in here, and for this be a little bit bigger, and for this also I'm going to change the color to the pink tone, same as the color in the dress. Maybe a little bit darker is fine. And now I'm going to go to the subheading and choose add a subheading, which will add a text in here. You can make it bigger, any size you want. And for this one, I'm going to add a different color, maybe same color as the font color, and off. So just say 35% off, and we can bring the font size to 104, which is too big. Maybe let's bring it a little bit to the center and just place it in here. We can bring the rectangle size smaller as well. All right, so I'm just going to place this one in here. Okay, so our poster is almost done. And the last part, what I want to show in here is, let's say you want to place Facebook, YouTube, Instagram links to this poster. You can easily do so by going to the icons in here and just select the Instagram and Facebook and YouTube symbols, icons, and you can select all three of them like this by clicking with the shift key and just bring it smaller like this. All right, so you can place it in here. Maybe let's place this one like this, and we can select all of them, hold the shift key and hold the shift key and make it smaller like this. All right, okay guys, so I think that's about it. And maybe if you have any links, I'm just going to put some text below for reference. Before that, you can go to, let's say the YouTube color is not going with the background color. You can select the YouTube icon and go in here and change the color to white or whatever color you like. All right, the last thing I want to do in here is going to the text in here and add a body text, and just going to type Facebook page in here. And once you type, you can go in here, because we are going to place the same thing everywhere. So you can just select this text, go to this copy, which will make a copy of that text, and you can just place it in